how to find social login settings on Godaddy, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find it. First open your browser and now click account settings and then click my profile and scroll down until you find here login and pin. And here we'll find social login. Now just enable anything you want here, Facebook, Google or Amazon, and that's it. I hope that can help you. Now just go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.